Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates from Malik Gilani.
Hey gamers, tech enthusiasts, and fellow creators, welcome back to Malik Gilani's YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the brand new Asus Tuf F15, model FX5076, fresh for 2024. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this beast of a machine that's ready to handle your most demanding games, creative projects, and multitasking needs. The box contains key specifications, model numbers, and serial numbers. This laptop is a fresh import from June 2024, purchased in August 2024. Upon opening the box, a durable sticker sheet is included for personalization. Let's set the laptop aside to explore the rest of the contents. Inside, you'll find paperwork such as an instruction manual and warranty cards. On the left, a chunky 240-watt charging brick is provided, with power details on its back. The right side contains the power cord. Now, let's focus on the main attraction, the Asus Tuf F15. The model number, serial number, and manufacturing date are printed on the bottom. The tough polycarbonate lid is a fingerprint magnet. Let's start by appreciating the sleek design. This bad boy comes in an eye-catching mecha gray color, a look that screams futuristic durability with a subtle military vibe. Asus continues to keep the build tough, living up to the Tuf series reputation, while accents on all four corners give it a military aesthetic. It has a full HD 15.6 inches IPS display. You can also charge this device with 100 watts of Type-C charger. This laptop is Wi-Fi 6 certified, with 100% sRGB and 75% Adobe RGB coverage. It's got a 144Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. With the MUX switch and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, you get optimized performance for both gaming and battery life. The charger features a barrel connector, a classic yet effective design. The lid has 4 LED indicators. On the right side are a Kensington lock, thermal exhaust vents, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port. The back has 2 large exhaust vents. The left side includes diverse ports, thermal exhaust vents, the power jack, an RJ45 port, an HDMI 2.0B port, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort 1.4 and G-Sync, Thunderbolt 4 with DisplayPort support, another USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, and a 3.5mm audio combo jack. The top lid features a low-quality 720p camera and 3 microphones. Anti-glare coating. Check. G-Sync technology. You bet. The laptop booted up in about 20 seconds. Under the hood, you've got an Intel Core i7-13620H processor, with a base clock speed of 2.4 GHz and a turbo boost up to 4.9 GHz. This machine is built for speed and efficiency. Now, let's check out some essential software for creators. As a creator and 3D professional, I won't provide benchmark results, but it handles heavy 3D modeling, animations, photo, and video editing software quite well. It initially came with 16GB DDR5 RAM at 5600 mega transfers per second, but it only supports up to 5200 mega transfers per second. I have upgraded it to 40GB. Whether you're gaming or editing videos or doing your 3D projects, this processor can keep up without breaking a sweat. Powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 8GB DDR6V RAM, this machine pushes graphics performance to the next level. With a base clock of 2225 MHz and up to 140 watt of power, you're ready to tackle any AAA title with ease. The 4070 brings exceptional performance with real-time ray tracing and DLSS 3.0 support. And with the 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, load times are lightning fast, but don't worry, there's room to expand your storage with an extra slot. Both the slots can handle up to 2 TB, making the total of 4 TB. Pre-installed Armoury Crate software allows monitoring and adjusting laptop settings. For intensive GPU tasks, you can switch to the Ultimate option. And Standard option, for automatic GPU switching between the 4070 and the integrated Intel GPU. The Ultimate option is available only when plugged in. With Dolby Atmos and high-res audio support, you'll hear every footstep, explosion, and soundtrack in crystal clear quality. My Asus app is also included for additional options, like preserving the battery for longer battery life. Despite packing all this power, the Tuf F15 remains surprisingly portable, weighing only 2.2 kilograms. And let's not forget about the 90 watt-hour battery. Whether you're gaming on the go or editing videos at a cafe, you can expect solid battery life without always needing to hunt for a charger and giving you extended gaming sessions when you're unplugged. And when you need to charge up, the 240 watt adapter gets you back into the game quickly. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home Edition, giving you all the latest features and optimizations right out of the box. Asus didn't forget about cooling either. With advanced cooling technology, including dual fans and multiple heat pipes, the Tuf F15 stays cool under pressure. The Tuf's backlit chiclet keyboard features customizable RGB lighting, adding a personal touch to your setup through Armoury Crate or a dedicated key on the keyboard. As a bonus, new buyers get a 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 and 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. That's access to hundreds of games right out of the box. Start your adventure immediately. So, if you're looking for a gaming laptop that combines power, portability, and a sleek design, the Asus Tuf F15 is definitely one to keep on your radar in 2024, whether that's high-end gaming, content creation, or multitasking. A laptop built for gamers, creators, and power users alike. Unleash the power. Elevate your game. If you found this video informative, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more such videos.